while I talking, can you mute your mic, and then if you have questions and suggestions, palihog lang po ko unmute. Okay? Okay? Sige daw, doon ko na mo kung tumutulo para magkita mo. Okay, Trish. Ikaw na lagi kulang, Trish. Okay, thank you. Play na ako off for you to hindi mag-camera shy. Naanad mo lamang may aning trabaho aron. So, can you hear me clearly, and can you see my screen? Okay. So, let me check your similarity report. Team K. Okay, you have 16% similarity report. So, you already know this one na you have to be lesser, especially in your chapter 1. It should be, I will allow only 0 to 10% similarity. The reason why I want it to be that kind of the threshold for that one, because in chapter 1 all of this came from you, all your statements, because you already you have observed, and you already you know what is the problem on that particular establishment. So you know that every problem you are going to state in your proposal. The lesser you are, the lesser than the similarity, meaning the uniqueness is we call it na workout. So ato na ni improve gamay to lesser, because if above 10% I will not accept on the next submission. Okay, so clear na tato? Okay, so your proposed title is Automated Customer Record Monitoring System for North Bais City. Okay, so tell me, tell me just everything, what is this is all about. Sa mga naman, why you come up with this title before reading. Before I read your proposal, what is your intention? What is your intention? Why you make a proposal like this? Any one. Yes. Okay. So this is not a monitoring system, no? Customer record monitoring system. So this is just a tracking. We call it a tracking system. Siguro na, no? Tracking. Call it. Kanang ginabuhat sa Jollibee, because that is manual, and you are also using the same ball pen provided with alcohol lang, no? There are some people that forgot to use alcohol, so if there will be bacteria or a virus, so you are passing the virus to every person who will use the ball pen. So then also for that problem, if you were going just put it on a Dropbox or just recording it, you will just also the one that will trace will in contact with the logbook that contains the information. Sometimes pag yun mayabo pa yun ng alcohol, mabutang sa logbook, not sometimes di na maklaro. usually put, babasahin mo ang kamot when you grab the form, mabasa din ang maklaro po mo. So a good thing. But did you already go to the Novo and try to talk with your proposal about this one? Wala, di ko na-reply, naka-busy. So, usually yun, that is why every time o sa ka week mag-busy ko sa ka section, o sa ka preparation, o sa ka week. So, mo ni ron na kinahanglan jud mo overtime. Because of 4 professions that I have: capstone, web development, napo ko object-oriented programming 1, napo ko system thinking. So for preparations, that is why hindi na ako makuan, madala talaga na yung mga pangutanan. So if that is the case, pwede po manawag na lang for me to really answer your queries. So okay siya. I think the similar proposal with kuan bilang I already meet them. Siguro tong grupo ay sa Nurso man to. Sa Nurso. Dahil lang sa Nurso, because we have a lot of rooms to be visited. So mo tong QR code gyapon to siya. I forgot the team. Siguro tong team ay. Dili mo to ilang Arisabel. Gahapon man to, malaga mo to ila about malaga. Ay, mga previous weeks na siguro to. Just browse my YouTube channel because I already recorded it. Basta browse dito, I have give you them the information for that. So same lang, ang nakanindot lang inyo because one establishment lamang yun. So one gate lang. One gate lang. Then so dili lang mo maglisod. Compared to their study, which in North Subais campus, we have a lot of rooms and offices to be visited. So murag mas komplikado gamay ila sa reporting compared to you guys because you only have one vice Novo sa Novo lang man. So first thing siguro, I want you to go to Novo and try to ask their permission to have your proposal like this. And if they will allow us, then that is a good sign for us to work to move. Okay, for me okay naman. Okay ra siya. We will just refine it again this morning. The things we're going to do for you to also to present it with the management. Namahan ay po ang inyong thoughts to share with them. No? So next step to Ani is to meet. So is it possible to meet them? Especially right now, open naman ang Novo noon for these days, right? So can anybody go there and ask siguro or not present, but you will just tell them that you are having a proposal and you have selected Novo for this one. Because if this is true to all, this is if this is well implement, this is no for Novo only. It is also for the establishments anywhere in the Philippines. Yung Novo lang is your prototype because dili lang siya sa Novo. Pero this is one good thing for us to have a prototype version na pang intended na i-work yun siya. Okay. Parang matest pod nila for your work. Then if it will work in Novo, then it will work for the other establishment as well. Okay. Pwede po niyo i-Jollibee for mas to murag common siya. Because ang Novo sa next man, continue. then cellphone nila nagigamit na. Yes. To minimize na lang yun because there are some people who don't have the luxury of having a good cellphone. May uban na keypad pa, may uban seldom na lang gina siya. So mas naindot mo sa cellphone because for their safety and for the safety of the establishment, the cellphone is the only one they use, they can use. So sila ra just connect to something, a Wi-Fi for you to fill up the form for, di ba? Yung notify lang na yung record, is your name, ano ba? For inana nindot siya, then di ra gid mawala ang logbook because we cannot control them. There are people that have a cell phone. So okay lang siya. So is it possible na ang Nobo, I never went to Nobo na mga pila na ka bulan. So pero last time niya to ko dito, there is no logbook. Mura man gyapon pasudod ra man ka Japon dito. So pero the management ganit think that one how much about you. Pwede na lang siguro no, we will try to since usually gagamit sa bahay is Jollibee, Manginasal, those are the establishments that you have to fill up in order to enter. Kaya usually mura man sa quick pick wala may sulat-sulat sa katong sa shop murag wala man po sila sulat-sulat. One way of going that one, so wala sila ka problema. They don't have really concerns about the to track the we call it the people who inside in this establishment. So probably ato na lang siguro ta sa Jollibee or Manginasal food chains in Bahay City, since they have that one. Sila na lang inyo, di na lang si Novo. Si Novo wala mo na pakibanaan ng monitoring. So di rin po na siyang pagkabanao na system. Because they don't have the initiative for tracking the customer in the establishment. So ato ta sa mga naanay gagamit sila og manual recording, di ba? Kay magamata na initiate nila for monitoring na isa sa manual gani wala gis lagi initiate. You get my point? So ato na lang ni Jollibee ni Manginasal sa kanara Manginasal lambot. So usually more gihapon we don't need to revise the way they record. So what are the needed information? So usually ang nindot ra gid ana dili siya QR code. It is a web-based lang yun. It is a portal. When you open when you open your Wi-Fi or your one, imo din siyang pag automatic pag-open man sa form direkta. So pag man sa form ding mura pud siya og we called it queuing at the same time. Queuing na to siya at the same time na kung ni-fill up siya, for example naman na sila yung number to wait. So inyo i-propose na may LCD na gamay for you to kay meron siya queuing. So for example ako I will go to Jollibee. So first step ana top na mutunog magkatang murag trapuhan na basa, then kuhaan ka og temperature. So pag muna na maingon ang guard, please open your you get your cell phone sir, open your one and connect this one. Pag connect ni mo atong Wi-Fi, mo pop up nito imo ang system yung cellphone with the name, address, ano ba tong needed information for tracking, and also the temperature. Pag save ana nimo pag save nimo makita adto sa screen na imong ngalan. para makitaan gyud sa tanan, makitaan sa guard na ni-fill up ka. Di ba? Alam mo na yung ngalan. Okay, pag ngalan, naman siya Q number. Di ba? So, ikaw may Q number 1, for example. So, basta napita siya. At the same time, dili lang siya monitoring na nakasulbad pa mo sa queuing na process. Parang in order for the people na magtalay na hapit na pugdugol, na mas limitations because they put markings about for about 1 meter. Kung na ba na mapuno-puno na lingkod sa tas sa gamay, or pwede ra pud silang mogawas, then musodra sila kung nanailang queue. So mura bag queuing at the same monitoring at the same time queuing. Diba? Then after that, sa mga application, naka dito na butang dito na you are still in on that particular place in Jollibee or in Mang Inasal. Then after you out, you put it out. Or si guard ba nasa dito system po na yan yung timan na i-out man yan ang i-out for you to know na ni-out na po ka na particular date, like particular time. Okay, for example, makabalutan na, for example, misulod ka ng establishment then you are na-trace ka na you are positive, so dali ra ma-trace sa system na anang adlaw ana oras na ay positive case. So i-trace dito ka na oras kisa tong mga mga tanang mga nagkaon the same time with sa kanang na positive. So dali kay ma-trace, dali ma-pull out, dali ko makita. So na siya out kay usually sa pagkakaroon Indra man ni kuan naman ka ni Indra ka yung wala ka bulog kung wala ang system doesn't know kung sa ka nigawa sa establishment. So ka og alas 9 wala ginagibutag morning, wala ginagibutag date, wala the time, wala time siguro na sa fill up. I think in Jollibee murag wala time, night time I guess, night time in na date yun time, pero wala time out na mugawas ra ka. For example nato sa Jollibee pwede ra I tried nagatong last time na 3 hours ko nagpundo sa Jollibee, di ba? So 3 hours na pag after nawakabalo na ikaw na positive ka for 3 hours. So ano ba, na positive ka, then nagstay ka og longer in the Jollibee. So dili na matrace kung kisa tong ilang i-trace ka to raw tibok adlaw maapil pa tong nagabi nauna nimo ka quarantine aning ninipay to Galas City sa bundag si Jollibee maapil pa tong ka quarantine kay date raman ang kinahanggi ginagi ilang ginabisayan. Diba? Anaon lang. So, napos siya out. E naman sa bauna, di siya na maapil lang gauna kay sakto. Kay, nito nga sa Galas 7, na magkakabulog ni gawas to sa Galas 7:20, kaya man dito out. Na ikaw ni ato kag alas 8, ni gawas sa Galas 9. So, magduwa. So, may tabo sa system, maapil gitong alas 7 kay wala man to kabalog ni gawas ba to dayon ni wala ba ni gawas. So mas nindot yun na time out para pag ni gawas kag 7:20 na nisulod to na positive na alas 8. So ikaw tong nisulod og alas 7 na gawas og alas 7:20, you are not included with the quarantine if ever, di ba? Kaya mag-trace mo nito na nisulod sa alas 7 ni gawas pa alas 7:20 na kaning ni positive alas 8 may ni gawa nisulod. So kato nang tanang ni alas 8 mo to ma-capture ang to pila ka tanan makita ang in and outs. So marag ni kana ara siya. At the same time mo queuing pud siya. Mo queue na lang ka kay na mo flash man ang ngalan. So mingon na lang ka na cashier number 1. Available ba ang cashier number 1? Useless pag mo flash ang ngalan na wala ra pay gamit. Na mo gutay display for example. Di ba? Mas nindot pa. Ngalan ni mo, you get my point. Kinawa na naman tayo queue, na naman tayo murag na naman ka information mo flash out makabalo man kay tungod ang LGT para makabalo pud ta kay for security purposes on the management. Dili pod siguro tanan mo sulod basta di na lang mo fill up ba, di ba? Nga mo fill up. So katong na manual, lara po to sa special lane for manual na manual na transaction, katong manual na gisulat Narak po siya cashier for manual, parang dilira po na ito madisturbo ilang system. Kaya basing maingon sila na ako tong manual wala to, hindi na to ma-entertain. Di ba naman na sa Jollibee or sa mga inasal, there is a priority lane like senior citizen, pregnant woman, di ba? Iapin na lang po dito naman dito tong uban na for example katong wala gi cellphone. Di ba? Na magi instances na matong Jollibee na wala gi cellphone, katong cellphone na ko. So 3310 pero it's very seldom lang yun. It's 2 out of 10 people na maski gani mga bata ron touchscreen na cellphone, di ba? Nagis sila cellphone tagin. It is a 2 out of 10 cases. Kana silang 2 out of 10 kanang to ibutang sa katong special lane. Yung katong ubang mga ako ay mo to na IQ naman Q. Ako niya ako pasabot na ako suggestions. Okay. So, since inyong statement direct, patabang nila sa pagkabahin nun sa pag-monitor, murag atong i-title ay ninyo is customer monitoring is customer tracking, monitoring and tracking. Tracking and monitoring. Or customer tracking and monitoring system. Customer tracking and monitoring system. You track customer, okay. Pwede ba na ito na? Tracking and monitoring. Because you do the tracking and see. So, customer na lang. Pwede ra, customer monitoring and tracking, monitoring and tracking system for fast food no? Fast food. Mas may tawag na ilang Jollibee fast food. Fast food siya, no? Fast food. So, customer and monitoring and tracking system for fast food establishment. In Vice City. Makita rin niyo akong gina-comment. Okay, so customer monitoring and tracking system for fast food establishments in Vice City. Is it okay ra ba? Ang fast food chain dia is only kung ano, Mang Inasal and Jollibee. Then you try to go there and try to i-propose din nila na you're trying to make a proposal like that one, na cellphone ra gamit, i-connect lang. So, ang reporting, dali lang kayo ang reporting because we can directly search for the time. When you search the time, you can see a result of people who are on that because you can track man. That is the time. Sa monitoring po, makita po nimo dito tanan imuhang for example sa karong adlaw sa karong orasaha, you can know that these are the people na naaning establishmenta, diba? Nakanindot po gidoon ta gani kung pwede gani siya na ma-update nimo, ma-update nimo ang guardia, for example, na dito na makita na mo ni si, for example, mabantay man niya mo ng Alejo, for example, na ay crew dito ba na maingon na mo ni siya table number 5 mo ni siya na dito siya na magpundo table number 5 para makita gyud dito ba na for example sa Bayi City sa Jollibee naman ay top and naman to sa taas o sa ubos na for example itong na positive tuwa sa taas siya nagpundo, So katura mga nearest table niya ma-quarantine. Katong uban na murag layo na siya, di na siya ma-appeal because layo naman po siya, layo naman, especially sa ubos. Murag ma-appeal po ang record ba, record pag monitoring asa sa dapitan ni Lincoln. Diba? Kay mamana parang to really limit also, katurod yung i-quarantine, katurod yung pinaka na-exposure niya, katong naaragid siya, duol ragid niya, para matrack gid mo monitor, gid is monitor na, ano siya, muna si customer, si Juan, that is, ato karing taima, ni siya nilikuan, yung ato sa atong tibula, diba? At least, everything is detailed, everything is recorded, ano ba? Di na mawala, dili ba yung una, ikaw management, hala asa dapit at pagalingkod, review the CCTV, di ba? Dagang kaya it's take time to review CCTV. So, unless you have a system like that it will populate on a second, wala kay problema. Hello? Hello? Are you with me? Hello? Okay. So, kanang uban, that is murag inana lang gid ako ang suggestion. Mo gani si Krisha raman ni. Na si Raymart pod bago. Si Raymart po mahapit na mo sayo ra ka sa sunod na meeting. Okay, so any questions or mga mga inputs, hopefully you take note of all of those na really into solve the problem on the manual. Kaya ang manual man good, ako man nakita sa Jollibee, gibutang ra sa box. May inukay pa nila to if in case na i-tracing. May nila to ila pa to i-sort off pupila. Wa to nag-sorting. Hulog-hulog ra ba to. So, may inukay nila ato. Sakto. Sakto na. Unless sa form, imo man to siyang i-required. You cannot submit, diba? You cannot submit unless you are filling it up all the necessary information. So, at least dito sa form, pwede naman itong i-submit ito blanco gani. Butang-butangan ra. Diba? Na lang for us to really wala yung proposal. So I want you to go to ask inana i-present the my ato ang gi-try na to ron. Hopefully they will, because it really solves the problem in tracing and monitoring. Di ba monitor po din sa manager na mo ni may pila ka boksit beacon. So, mapasulod dayon, for example, mapasulod dayon na ako, may ngon din siya sa guard na, okay, 4 lang sudlan na, the rest, fulat salaman. Hindi pa masigap ihap, just go to monitor it. Balik kayo monitoring. So, any questions? Clarifications. So, I will no longer read this one because the concept for this one is all about the things that so kamo may ni propose gud ari na kinahanglan mo hatag mo, you have to make a automated monitoring system for the establishment to have a part of the society to prevent, diba, the spread of auto monitor and help to track the customer if natay kuan. So kaning inyong mga statements dire mausob gyud ni siya pag madto na mo dito sa Jollibee ug Inasal. Then we will try and we will just change it your title. If ever, for example, you go to Mang Inasal and they don't have, if they is not okay with your proposal, then you go to Jollibee. Jollibee is the one is accepting your proposal. Then we will try to we will use Jollibee na lang instead of fast food establishment. Na lang. So, at least duwa nato ni siya gikuan because both of them are fast food. At least duwa inyo ang ginaigo yung system. Dili ilang ko siya kuan. So, any questions? So, adira na lang ako ni sa basahon. I want you to make a detailed okay, because the project context is the heart and soul of the chapter 1. If the project context is not really defined, the purpose and description and other components or parts in chapter 1 will not valid. Maglisod ka. So, just check with the previous meetings where, since almost tayo naman punta, so I recommended them to use the funnel method approach. Ano ba, murang imbodo from, kumantay mo sa imbodo. Is imbodo, makita ninyo na, gikan sa dako, patubang sa gamay. So, you have general scope, general to more specific, less general, going into your topic, and then going to bit more specific about your topic, and pinaka-obvious na good, ito yung pinaka-specific na good, what your intent to do in your proposal. So, ako silang gispinan dito, because those na iba yung mga teams that really okay na ilang proposal, and they will just improve their things, the statement on your budget context and everything. So, mo to kung i-discuss nila. For us, manggod, we cannot discuss it because the concept of your systems, the system under your proposal are the things that atong gi-work out right now. So, after meeting them, let me know, call me in my personal number, call me and let me know what is the result, so that you can now start crafting again your chapter 1. Kato na yung pinaka-detailed na yun. Kato yung ilang problema kung sa ilang kinahanglan. Karon, di siya na ito na mahimo. Any questions? Suggestions? Visitasyon? Asibes? Ules? Lobaton? Oh, mag-QR code ka. Pwede, na-Japon siya QR code kung, pero, ang QR code, pero na all the cellphones have ang QR code is the, yung mo naman i-point, yung mo-dictar siya sa form, diba? Ang QR code is the address, manggod. Instead of typing 192.168, blah, 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 the URL, you point at the QR code. But the QR code is not really, the QR code is not necessarily ang pinakasikat sa system. It just lesser the time to input, because mutang mo na go to Google Chrome, type this number 1 and 2, so hasula na kayang ang tao to do that. So kanindot ana mingon dra ka na, okay, scan this QR code, di ba? Scan this QR code for you to fill up the form. So pag scan niya, automatic makuha na siya, maato na siya sa form na di mo fill upan. So then na siya ayon ra ibutang ng QR code dia is very this is needed for us. Ang imo ibutang dire is the things that the establishment is now facing difficulties in manual recording of katong misulod sa ilang establishment, and what is your suggestions for them, or what they really want for improvement. Just stress it out here by the use of the funnel method approach na akong gi-discuss previously. Bulungan lang gid ninyo dito o sa tong grupo na ako ang na-discussan, for me to also everything, all of my meetings is being recorded and uploaded to YouTube, so makita ra ninyo dito tanan. Okay? Questions? Okay ra? How about visitasyon? So, mag-meeting mo ron, and paningkamutan ninyo na yes, Usman. Isa man to. Sige, continue. Wala. Dili mo sugot ang fast. Pwede ra. Possible. Pwede po daw. Like, any establishments na kanagay tao na muadtog yun sa ilang establishment mo sulod. Like Nobo, pwede. Nobo, Morganda. Ang Morganda gani, wala. LPC. Tanan. Because it is, this project is really intended for monitoring. Every establishment is okay, pero ang ato yung i-target itong taron katong mga na-existing na daan. So, dili ni siya mahitabo sa Jollibee o sa kuan, sa Manginasal. Then we look into our establishments na musulod ang tao, like Morganda, department stores, and grocery store. Kato, mga tanang mga department store na po na to ang targeton. So, daning dili fast food chain, department store. Diba? Mura na. Like, bilang department store sa Bais. Ayan lang tong mga hardware. Kaya ang hardware, di mga kasulod, good. Hindi kitulod-tudlo, rabi ka kato na, di ba? So, di nakakinanglan na. Nag-iabungan na po itong kuhan. Giabungan po ng ilang cashier. So, dili nakakinanglan i-track ng mga inanang mga hardware. Di ba? Talagsaon ra po kayo ang hardware na dugay mo pondo. Gawas na siguro bulky ang paliton. Pero paitra ka usa ka kilong palansang, pila ra man ka minuto. Diba? You get my point? So, ang pinaka-con mo ang fast food chain because na time na madugay-dugay ang tao dira. Ang fast food establishment. Yung sunod, kung di mo gid siya madala sa fast food, then we will go to department store and grocery store. Dagan kay dira. Diba? Then, kung dili gid siya madala na, then we will try to go to establishments like DepEd sa DepEd division office. There are people that are working because this project is really intended to any establishment right now. Dili gini siya point out. Ni-select ra ta og mga pwede na ito ma-prototypean ito. Gets the button? Trish, okay ra? Trish? Okay, so, inyong button, for now, fast food chain siya ta. Na let me know. Okay? Okay, maabot atong mga department store. Wala naman to queuing. Mawala man to. So, katong ato ang queuing, mawala man to. Malain na po to itong approach. Matagaan na po ito maglaing idea about the lain na po kung department store na po. Okay. Any questions? Concerns, clarifications about your proposal? Okay. So, if ever you have a problem, please na lang call me directly. You have already my number siguro. I already give you my number. So, if you don't have questions right now, thank you for joining. Please keep safe always, everyone, since the number of positive cases in Negros Oriental is increasing. So please do minimum health standard set by DOH, to 1 meter set apart, meter of distance, and then wear mask if you are on the crowded places, diba? So if everything is okay, bye bye and thank you. God bless. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I will leave now.